Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this guide, we're walking through how to connect your Xbox controller to Mortal Kombat 11 in 2025. Whether you're on PC, Xbox, or even mobile, let's make sure your setup is smooth so you can land those combos with zero lag. First, if you're on Xbox Series X or Xbox One, good news. No setup needed. Just turn on your Xbox controller, sync it with your console using the pair button. Launch Mortal Kombat 11 and you're instantly good to go. So now if you're playing on PC, here's what to do. The first one, wired setup. Just plug your Xbox control into your PC with USB-C or micro USB cable. Windows 10 and 11 will auto-detect and install the drivers instantly. Wireless setup via Bluetooth. Press and hold the pair button on the controller until the Xbox logo flashes. On your PC, go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Device, and select Add Device. Choose Xbox Wireless Controller, and boom, you are paired. Once connected, open Steam, go to Steam Settings, Controller, then General Control Settings, and make sure Xbox configuration support is enabled. Launch Mortal 11 Kombat, and it should detect the controller right away. You can test in the input settings if you want to make sure it's responsive. For mobile game like Android or cloud performance, pair your Xbox controller via Bluetooth through your phone's Bluetooth settings. Make sure the Mortal Kombat 11 app or streaming platform supports controller input. And if some more reasons the game isn't recognize your controller, restart both your Steam and game. And double check that Steam input or in the game controller support is enabled. That's it. Simple steps to connect your Xbox controller to MK11 in 2025. If this guide helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more game tutorials, and let us know what the game you want covered next. See you in the next one.